hey, if you look at the time, it's after 6. Welcome back to After 6 Cocktails. We will be taking a little break from the weird drink series for a bit. This shall resume shortly, but today we're gonna make the Adonis Cocktail. I don't know much about it. It's probably named after somebody from mythology. I don't really care. I never made it before, so let's see how this goes. According to the old Mr. Boston book, you need orange bitters, Italian vermouth. This is Italian. I call it red because it's red or sweet. And sherry, dry sherry, which is actually a type of sherry. I have Amontillado, dry. And it needs orange bitters. I got my orange bitters. So I'm gonna do that. A dash of orange bitters. It's probably like 5 dashes of orange bitters because it's clear colored. You can't really see how many dashes there are. 3/4 of an ounce in some red vermouth. Then 1.5 ounces of dry sherry. Do love the smell of sherry. I'm gonna pull this into a Nicanora glass. Let's taste the Adonis Cocktail. I smell a lot of sherry and vermouth. I might have gone overboard on the orange bitters. It's more bitter and orangey than I wanted it to be. Definitely it's too bitter. I put too much orange bitters in that, and I don't feel like making it again. So I think it'd be better for me if I only put 1 dash of orange bitters instead of 6. But other than that, it's alright. It's not bad, but it's not great. It's a classic, but I don't think it's as common as it used to be. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.